Welcome friends, in this tutorial we will learn about operator in VBScript. Types of operator. There are 5 types of operator in VBScript. First, arithmetic operators. Operator used to perform mathematical calculations. Second, assignment operator. Operator used to assign a value to a variable. Third, comparison operator. Operator used to perform comparisons. Fourth, concatenation operator. Operator used to combine strings. And fifth, logical operator. Operator used to perform logical operations. Arithmetic operator. Here list of arithmetic operator and symbol is given. Addition. The first arithmetic operator is the addition operator. You already used the operator and probably understood its purpose because it is so commonly used and easy to understand. The addition operator is used to add two values whether they are stored in variables, constant or literal numbers. You also use the plus operator to concatenate strings. String concatenation. You use the string concatenation operator to merge two strings together. Subtractions. This operator works the same way the addition operator does, except that it subtracts one or more numbers rather than add them. Multiplication. Addition and subtraction are important, but you also need to be able to multiply value together. In most computer language, the star symbol is used to indicate multiplication. Division and integer division. Among the common arithmetic operators, division is the most complicated arithmetic operation in a computer perform. VBScript has two types of division operators. The first operator handles numbers with a decimal point, usually referred to as a floating point division operator. It's presented by slash symbol in code listings. The floating point division operator is designed to divide values with a decimal points. Exponentiation raises a number to power of an exponent. Modulus arithmetic. The mod operator is another powerful arithmetic operator. The mod operator returns the remainder after dividing one number into another. Unary negation. The last of the arithmetic operator is the negation operator. The operator changes the sign of a value contained in a variable. Comparison operators. Here list of comparison operator and symbol is given. Equality. You use the equality operator to see if a variable, constant or a number is equal to another. It's common to mistake the equality operator for the assignment operator, which is also represented by equal sign. You use the assignment operator to set a variable equal to another variable, number, string, constant or other data entity. Inequality. Another important comparison operator is the inequality operator. You use this operator to test whether a variable is not equal to another variable. Less than and greater than. You might have a condition where you don't care whether a variable is equal to another, but you want to know whether it is greater than or less than another variable, number or constant. In such case, you need a greater than or less than operators. Less than equal to and greater than equal to. Sometimes you also might want to see whether a variable is greater than or equal to some other variable, constant or number. Perhaps you want to know if it is less than or equal to the entity. Object equivalence. This operator does not compare one object to another, nor does it compare values. This special operator simply checks to see if the two object references in expression refer to the same object. Suppose, for example, you have assigned a common button in your script. You have another variable, my object, that is set to reference different object at different point in your program. Logical operators. The last category of operator in VBScript is logical operator. The logical operator might require a significant amount of understanding to appreciate. Here list of logical operator and symbol is given. Logical negation. The NOT operator inverts the bit values of any variable and sets the corresponding bit. This operator has the following results. If the expression is 0, the result is 1. Logical conjunction. The operator performs a logical conjunction on two expressions. In order to obtain 2 in the result variable, both expression 1 and expression 2 must be true. Here, if the value of expression 1 and expression 2 both are true, then the result is true, otherwise false. Logical disjunction. The operator performs a logical disjunction on two expressions. If either or both expressions evaluate true, result is true. The OR operator also performs a bitwise comparison. Here, if the value of any of expression is true or both is true, then the result is true, otherwise false. Logical exclusion (XOR). The operator performs a logical exclusion on two expressions. It checks whether one and only one condition is exclusively true. Here, if the value of only one expression is true, then the result is true, otherwise false. Logical equivalence. The operator performs a logical equivalence on two expressions. The equivalence operator checks whether two expressions are bitwise equivalent to each other. If either expression is null, result is null. It is opposite of logical exclusion. Here, if the value of both expressions is true, then the result is true, otherwise false. Logical implication. The operator performs a logical implication on two expressions. Here, if the value of first expression is true and the second expression is false, then the result is false, otherwise true. Thank you.